Ready to turn tedious PDFs into a treasure trove of insights and skyrocket your YouTube views to the stratosphere? Stay tuned. In this game-changing video, we're unveiling AI tools that will revolutionize how you interact with PDFs, be it academic papers, office documents, or your favorite novels. But that's not all. Learn how to transform the timeless wisdom of Think and Grow Rich into a viral video empire, churning out 100 captivating shorts that could make you an internet sensation, all in just minutes. Your journey to ultimate productivity and viral fame starts now. Please subscribe to the channel to receive our next valuable videos. Here are 3 quick steps for you to work with PDF files. Step 1. Configure ChatGPT account and install plugin log into your account. Then go to Settings and Beta. Next, Beta Features. Turn on the plugin function, then select New Chat next. Select GPT-4 next, select Plugin. Next, click on the arrow button. Next, scroll down to the bottom and select Plugin Store. Next, search for AI PDF and install. In this step, the AI PDF plugin will ask you to register an account. You just need to choose to register with a Google account and continue. After installing the AI PDF plugin, to use it, you need to select this plugin to use. Step 2. Upload your PDF file. For PDF files under 100 pages, you can upload the link to Google Drive and use. However, in this case, I want ChatGPT to summarize the 400-page book, Think and Grow Rich. So I need to upload the file to the link that Plugin AI PDF requires. I will put the link in the description. In this step, you need to upload the file from your computer, then select Copy as instructed. You need to give a memorable name or summary of the PDF file content. After pressing Save, copy the link and return to ChatGPT. Step 3. Make your own request. Next, ask ChatGPT to use the PDF file with the copied link to answer your questions. In this case, I will ask ChatGPT to generate dozens of ideas for motivational videos for me. Those scripts will take evidence from this book and the valuable lessons that Napoleon Hill wrote in the book. I will put the prompts I use in the description for your reference. You should see how I use prompts, Perfect and CapCut plugin on our channel. That's how I create fully automatic videos from the content that ChatGPT wrote here. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe so we have the motivation to continue making valuable videos. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to help us stay motivated to create more helpful tips. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to leave a comment. We're happy to respond. Thank you for watching the entire video.